Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. How the year 2020 or any year will end for you. For that sake, for now we are looking at this year, but it is a timeless reading, friends, so you can check it anytime. So, how the year will end for you, and friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, and also, friends, it is a timeless reading. And make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, friends, and click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, if you subscribe and comment below and like this video, you have a chance to win a free reading at the end of this month. One lucky winner will be announced randomly. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, friends. And this is my way to give back to the all love and support you are giving to me. Thank you so much, friends. I hope you are doing well. And times have been lately very stressful. I know most of you have been stressed or anxious, but things are going to get better. Something good is coming, and that's why we have this reading. Something good, or at least some hope, coming your way, how the year will end. So let's see. Let's join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. 2021 readings are started, so book yours before the rush starts. Already it is quite loaded, so make sure to book yours, friends. And let's take a deep breath. And if you want to book a reading, please email me or visit my website, and there's this message emailing space. You can email me from there. So let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, and choose option 1, the crescent moon. Option number 2, this beautiful yellow flower. Option number 3, the drop type. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly skip there and select the number you have chosen. I also feel that most of you will be choosing more than one pile, so feel free to choose more than one. Also, friends, feel free to watch the entire reading because it is for the month end, so you can choose that also. And let's begin. For those who chose option number 1, how the year will end for you. Let's see the crescent moon. Let's see what you have in store. Sorry, friends, year will end for you. This is your romance angels. We're gonna look at it shortly, and these are your oracle messages. We're gonna see it in a short while. Let's see your cards. Strength, interesting, very nice. The lovers, very beautiful. I definitely see you gaining strength. I see that at the end of the year, you will be coming out of health issues. I feel if you are having some sort of a health issues, you are going to achieve a victory. If you are working out and you are looking for those abs, or you have some fitness goals, like you want to go for a marathon or something, or just something like you want to heal your mental emotional health, yes, you will be very successful. And of course, you will be ending the year on a mushy note. Look at that. Ooh, lovers. It's going to be a passionate and a very, very fairy, it's a fairy like ending. Not a fairy like, it's like a passionate ending or start of the new year for you, pile number 1. Let's see what else. Page of Swords. I do feel an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini will be important to you, or you could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel, friends, that you have the 8 of Wands, but it came out in reverse. So I feel this is the current energy, that somewhere communications that you want are not coming your way. It is like you need some communication, but it is not coming your way. I do feel in relationships, either you are not open to communication or someone else is not open to communicating with you. And I also feel that you have your walls up right now, friends, or someone in your life, like maybe a partner, a twin flame, or anyone, someone in your life is acting a little defensive, communications are blocked there. I also feel it could be that right now you are not getting the communication regarding job and money also, and you are starting to get angry or frustrated. But I do see that you will be coming out of that anger and frustrations, because you will be getting the positive news at the end of the year regarding your work or career. But definitely this feels romantic. Yes, friends, the Knight of Pentacles. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus might be important to you. And I do see there might be an age difference between both of you, or a slight age difference. So I do feel a relationship will be important to you at the end of the year, or some sort of blocks will be lifted in all your relationships. I also feel that if you are single and you feel life is stuck, even if you are not single and you feel life is going so slowly, it will get exciting at the end of the year. So, congratulations. Yes, things are going to get exciting and passionate also for you. If you are feeling you are disconnected from your hobbies or from your goals, you are going to find some sort of relief, some sort of reconnection with your goals, with your dreams, with your hobbies, and this slow pace will be over. Hanged man. Yes, I do feel there is a situation in your life that is hanged, that is stuck. It is not moving forward. And I think it has been since a very, very long time, maybe a year, 6 months, 3 months, 2 months. I think it is more than a year for maximum of you. This situation is, you feel stuck in it and things are not moving. Things are not changing for you. But when the year ends, or how the year will end for you, things will be coming your way. Positive things will be coming your way. Passionate, you will feel passionate about something, or someone may share their love with you or their passion with you. I do feel both people are very defensive right now. If you are in a relationship, both of you are very defensive. So those defenses will come down. Right now you are like stuck. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. It could be a twin flame connection. It could be your husband wife. It could be your lover crush. I do see you spending more time online at the end of the year and getting more steamy and passionate, compliments, or maybe someone will try to woo you at the end of the year. So get ready. You also have the star, the wishes coming true. Wow, you have four major arcana, so it is going to be a major ending to your year. So get ready, friends, get ready. Your wishes are going to be fulfilled. You are going to achieve what you want. There is something that you are wanting to achieve, some dreams, some goals, some wishes. They are going to come true. Yes, you are going to achieve it. And I do feel, friends, if you are single, and you have been single for a long, long time, things are going to move forward. Some insight will come, some messages will come to you, which will help your life and your love life to move forward. Very exciting. I do feel, like this is a time you feel anxious. You feel like, communications are not coming your way. There is no one to talk to, not even friends or even lovers or even a crush. I feel that it is going to change at the end of the year, because, you are stuck somewhere. So you should start seeing things in a better way. Start seeing things in a different way. A change of perspective is coming or is needed right now. And this slow pace is going to change, friend. Things are going to become fast, 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 and steamy, passionate, and some super hot dates are coming your way. I definitely feel someone very hot is coming your way. I don't know if it is going to last. I see all major arcana. So yes, it could be a long-term relationship coming your way, or a return of a lover. But a lot of beautiful things are coming your way. And let's see your extra cards. Ooh, the garden and the wait, number 30. You are waiting for something, friends. And it's a long, long time. You have a wish which hasn't come true yet. Like maybe there is a dream, maybe there is a relationship you want, or maybe that you are looking for love, or you are looking for communications or new friendships. and you're looking for health, better health, better mental, emotional balance, but it hasn't happened yet. It has been a long, long wait. It has been for some of you maybe over than a year, 2 years, 3 years, 7 years, 6 years. It is going to change. You will no longer be waiting. Things are going to change. Number 30, 18, 11, and 12 might be important for you. I also feel that, look at it. 41, 7 chakra archangel Uriel. Wow. Telepathy. You are really going to connect with your intuition at the end of the year. Your spiritual gifts and your intuition will be super super high, and you will be able to manifest anything you want and how you want to start your next year or what you want next year. You're gonna know, and you're gonna also reach a victory, a spiritual victory. Like you are going to be crowned. Look at this crown. I keep seeing this crown. You're going to be crowned, friends. Some sort of a success is coming. You have the star. So I think some situation is stuck, maybe a job situation, maybe a love life situation, maybe it is a divorce, or maybe like you are married but things are not at all passionate. It's like no one is communicating. It's a lifeless marriage, but or a lifeless relationship. There is no contact, long distance. Ooh, but look, there the situation is here, and the passions will rise, things will move forward, communications will come, your hopes will come true, and you already know that this is going to happen. There is something that that will happen. You know it, that sooner or later you are going to achieve that dream or victory. Like you are going to get extra money, or you are going to get that extra payment. You know something that yes, it is going to happen for me, and yes, it will happen. It will happen for you, and this will be your victory. Like, yes, I knew it, it happened. You're manifesting this thing. I also feel, friends, your intuition will be very, very high at the end of this month. So you can count on your intuition. You can count on your spiritual victory, your connection with your loved ones, past loved ones, and angels or the universe will be very, very high. So exciting, exciting times. Protected by the angels, you are cherished by the angels. Oh my God, the angels love you. Look at that. The angels are in love with you, friends, definitely. And you're safe. There is something that is causing you a lot of worry right now, but look at how the angel is smiling. Look at that. It's a content smile. It is the smile of feeling, yes, I did it. you know, I do see a very strong victory coming your way, and it might lead to a passionate makeover. Like, hey. It's a passionate ending for the year for you. Get ready, friends. Steaming hot, lovey-dovey dates are coming your way, and you deserve it. It is your victory. Some great times are coming your way. It is your hard work paying off. And I know some of you are going to say, oh, this is never gonna happen for me. If you say never, then I can't help you, friends, because never say never. View from above, get the bigger picture. Oh, friends, I do feel that you are going to see, you are going to get the clarity. Why the wait was there, why things were waiting, why things were slow, and why now they are working. You are going to see everything. And I also see some of you are going to find some visions about the next year. You are going to visualize or manifest the next year also. Like, you will be very clear what you want next year. Look at this. A spiritual mastery, a victory, even in your work, it is a victory. Even I see you graduating, I see you succeeding, and not just succeeding, it's like revenge. It's like you are this warrior queen or a king, and you are like, yes, I will. It's the end game, the final victory. Yes, it is like that. Get ready, and not just that. Ooh la la, love. Yes, friends, love is coming your way. And I don't know if I can give you a song for it. Fire on Fire. I don't know whose song is it. Ed Sheeran probably. Fire on Fire. It's just like that, like two potential beings of fire are coming together, and ooh, you see this sparks of love happening. Yes, friends, that's what is going to happen. Let's see your romance angels messages. Ooh, romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. So, yes, stuck situations are going to move forward. You're going to find the people who love you. Friendships are going to return, or some sweet friendship will manifest for you. See, angels are sending something, or you are manifesting. I also feel, friends, some of you are not manifesting love, but someone is manifesting you, and they're gonna come because angels and the universe want them in your life, and you both love each other. Yes, romantic feelings. So listen to your romantic feelings. Spend the year end in love, friends, with love, and start the year with a lot of passion. Yes, friends. It's an amazing reading, but I do feel you may feel a little bit of frustration because you will be like, why all this wait when we had to meet? Why all this wait when this project was destined for me, when this victory was mine? Why it took me so long to achieve it? You might be a little sad, a little bit like, it took me so long. It took me like 7 years, 6 years, 1 year, 6 months to achieve this. Why? But I think it will be a sweet victory. So get ready, friends. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, friends. Like and share. Join us on Instagram, and make sure to subscribe and like and comment so you win a free reading at the end of this month. Randomly we will select, and this is Mystic C saying bye. And for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful flower, yellow flower, let us see how you will end the year. This is your romance angels messages. These are your extra oracle messages, and oops, we're gonna look at them shortly. Let's see your cards first. Ooh, 3 of Cups in reverse. Interesting. I see that you're gonna feel a little in a non-party mood at the end of this year. I see that you won't want a party or go out and like celebrate in the new year kind of a way. You'll be like a homebody. You would want. I see you, ordering pizza and maybe some brownies, hot chocolate brownies, and inviting 1 or 2 friends, or maybe your family is there, so you and your pizza and your movies and that and your friends and your close ones and you, that's how you want to celebrate, or that's how you're going to end the year, because I don't see you going out. You don't want to do that. You're not even interested. You're like, nah, I don't want to party. I don't want to go to a bar or get drunk or, party. No, no, that's not what you want. 3 of Pentacles. I do feel, friends, that I do see that you'll be busy working. I don't know why, but you will be busy working or collaborating with people at the end of the year. So I do see you busy with work, and probably you are tired, or you are uh you're happy at home. You're enjoying the comfort of a home. It's fun. It's that weekend vibe where you order the yummiest pizzas and some hot corns and hot chocolate brownies and a movie, and there is the Christmas light or the New Year lights, and it's beautiful. That kind of a vibe. I do see you're focused on collaborating. You're also focused on working with some people, or working on your craft, on your projects, on your you're working, you're building, your focus is on work, your focus is on building yourself, your career, your future goals. So you will be planning, you'll be busy, rather than partying. I see you busy, and yes, you'll be busy. Another confirmation, 8 of Pentacles. Yes, friends, you are busy minting some money. Yes, friends, money is coming your way at the end of the year, so get ready. If you saw no money in this year, so money, 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 it's coming. I also feel you will be perfecting your whatever you are doing right now, or you are learning something, you will be working on that. Like, on your hobbies, on your work, on your career. And I also feel that you will be making some plans for the new year, like what you want to achieve, what you want to do. Yes, that is what you are going to do. Ace of Cups. I do feel you're gonna spend some time loving yourself. Yes, look at that. Self love is very high for you at the end of the year, and you're gonna fall in love with a hobby, with yourself, or with a person you work with, or someone you work or study with. They're gonna fall in love with you. I also feel, friends, that someone who was not cooperating with you, who was not putting time in your relationship, they wanna return and offer this love or friendship because they want to work on this connection at the end of the year. Five of Wands. I don't know if you will say yes to them or not, because I see you're not at all interested in anyone new or from the past also, because I see you spending the end of the year with your friends, close friends, best friends, probably family, close family, cousins, or just you and your loved ones. If you are married, your husband, your wife, your children, you and some happy people. And I do I do feel, friends, someone someone will want to offer you love. They want to work on things out with you in love relationship, but there is conflict. You may not want that person. I also feel that some of you might face some conflict at your work, so you will be focusing on working alone rather than with people. Or even, you may start feeling like businesses are good for you, or independent work, entrepreneurships are good for you, and you will be working on that. I see you working very hard. Even if you are a student, your focus is on perfection. Even if you are a homemaker, your focus is on, learning a new thing. Like maybe I see you also baking a cake or something. I see you working. Yeah, working on something you love. So you are perfecting things. The world. Wow, I definitely feel some of you might be, at the end of the year, you might have recently traveled, and you have just reached home, so you are a little like, oh, we are tired, we just don't want to go out and party, so you're gonna sit at home and enjoy. And I do feel some of you want to just change and spread, change things in your life, and you're busy planning some new goals, some new wishes, some new dreams for the year ahead. You want change. You want to change where you are living. Maybe you are shifting at the end, or you have just shifted, when the year ends. So you are busy, you're busy. And also, I see that most of you are planning, or you have already started some independent work, business, or some project. You will be busy on that because you feel more and more like you want to do something independent because you don't want to be in conflict. Hermit, wow, look at that. Ooh, you're busy, busy. You're very busy. I also feel, friends, someone who was a hermit, who was not in contact with you, and they are gonna pop out of, nowhere, and you'll be like, what? And they're like, hello, baby, I'm back. Hey, miss, I'm back. And you are like, what? You're back? Who are you? Because this person hasn't been in touch with you. They may have ghosted you, they may have put you in a third party, and they may have, ended the relationship, or it was long distance, or they were not ready for it at that point of time. But they're gonna come back. They are like, hey, hey, I'm back. And you are like, what for? You are not going to tolerate people messing you or wasting your time. Your focus is self-love. Your focus is happy family. Your focus is also working. Your focus is also learning something. So you are busy, friends. There's definitely an offer of love coming your way, or you may offer someone some love or some gifts also. I do see you making cookies, or baking cakes, or some pies, or maybe some snacks. I don't know, maybe you're gonna order pizza. That's what I feel. And some coke and all. I would not suggest you to have coke, but it's okay once in a while, no problems. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person might be important, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person might be important for you. Yes, people are coming. I do see your friends also inviting you. Hey, let's go to party. You're gonna party all night. You know, uh, I think the song you will not like it at the end of the year is "I'm a Barbie girl," and there's that song. It's fantastic. It's that song you're not gonna like it, or songs like Brazil. You're just not gonna like it because you are like not in a mood to party. Your mood is on self-love. You're working on money. You're working. I do see money coming your way. In fact, lots of money coming your way. I see you very busy, very very busy. So yeah, I don't know what song for you will be. I think the songs which don't work, I told you, Brazil, or those songs will not work for you. That's for sure. You're not gonna like it. You want those happy, homely, I think you're gonna like that song. Which song is it? It's a Christmas song. I keep forgetting that song. I hear it. I'm hearing the song right now, but I am not getting the proper words. It's like so the song for you I'm getting is, yeah, I finally remember the song. It's called the Santa Baby. It's like, Santa Baby, and put slip a little slip under the tree, and I have been an awful good girl all year. So you're like that. You are busy. I think some of you are going to spend the end of the year alone, or maybe you are thinking or reflecting on what happened and what all. It's a you're happy with just being yourself. So the song is for you, Santa Baby. So check that out. It's a beautiful song. You have been awful good person, or a good girl, or a good boy all this year. So you are going to get some goodies from the Santa. Archangel Raphael, yes, I do see you're working on healing yourself, healing your relationships. I see a massive financial healing is coming your way. Your finances are healing at the end of the year, so you will find some money. You will also find some rewards, or some sort of news that you are waiting for from abroad, from overseas, or from a different country or city. I do see love coming your way, or friendships coming your way, but I see you are focused on yourself rather than others. You don't want it. Goddess of the moon, yes, your intuition is going to be super high. Look at that. Your creativity will be very, very high, and you're gonna really enjoy. In your emotions may be also a little high. So it is a nice, intense, and quite productive end of the year for you. Standing focused, hold the course. Yes, you are planning for the year ahead. You are working on your dreams for the future. Look at this binocular you know wow, this is beautiful. You are planning for the things for the future, and you don't want to do anything else. I see passion and pleasure savor your life. I also feel, friends, it's okay to take some time to enjoy your life, or enjoy that moment, or enjoy the love coming your way, or friendships, because you deserve it. I do see you will be not interested, but you deserve it. Let's see your romance angels. Playfulness to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Wow. Yes, friends, it is okay for you to be playful, to flirt, and to talk with people at the end of the year, because I do see that you're so busy working hard, busy learning something, busy making some money, busy in self love. So it is okay to flirt, or if someone is like having some fun, light-hearted banter or conversations. Yeah, I also see some of you might be binge watching the channel, because I do see. I don't know why I have a feeling, because you have this card. You're going to binge watch Magic Wednesday Tarot. I'm telling you, friends. You can save the reading and confirm it later. I'm telling you earlier. I do see you doing that, because and I think that's where your source of playfulness is going to come. I would suggest you to watch some good movies, or do something that you enjoy, and say yes to the friendships coming your way, and a very happy, happy probably New Year, I should say, because I hope you are watching then also. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment, friends, and this will help you to win a free reading at the end of this month. One random person will be selected to win a free reading, and this is Mystic C saying bye. Friends, for those who chose option number 3, this green drop, let us see how the end of the year will be, how you will be ending this year. And this is your romance angels, friends, and this is your extra messages. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot and click the bell icon and comment below, friends, so you can win a free reading at the end of this month. One person will be, one lucky winner will be getting a free reading. So yes. Ooh, how you will be. So how will the year end for you, this year or any year? Wow, the Six of Wands. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. I feel you will be feeling very confident. You will be feeling very bold. You will also be feeling like, yes, you are ready to move forward. You are like, I'm done with 2020 and I want to move forward and in style. You know, you're moving forward, you're getting some success also, or achieving some success at the end of the year. You have Two of Swords. Yeah, I do feel currently you have some decisions, or at that point of time you will have some decisions or choices to make. Some confusion might be there, what to do, what not to do. So yes, at the end of the year there will be choices or some confusion, but I do see you coming out of it very strongly. Wow, Ace of Pentacles. This is beautiful. I see a very, very powerful new start coming for you, or some new gateways opening for you. Like, you know, you finally figuring out what you need, or, you know, you finally get a job. You finally get accepted into a college of your choice. You finally get accepted into the job you're looking for. You finally get that first client you were waiting for, that money, that degree, that graduation, you know, that PhD, or some crown is coming your way. And I do see some of you might be changing your careers or your jobs or switching offices, or you have like, you might start two jobs, like, you know, you might start something of your own, but you are a little confused, should you and shouldn't you. I think it will work out very nice for you, so go for it. And the King of Cups, wow, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person might be important. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person might be important. I do see a lot of, you know, someone will be offering you a new work opportunity, or some ideas related to work, or you might start working with your boss on a project, like, you know, like a manager, like a vice president or something. So you are, you know, success, progress. It is like reaching the next step. Oh my God, the Queen of Pentacles. Look at that. Look at your face. You are so confident. At the end of this year, you're gonna feel very confident. You're gonna feel very bold. And I also feel Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus might be important. I feel, friends, that you will feel a sense of achievement when you end this year, because you have been working at something and you finally achieved that success. So you will feel proud, you will feel content, you will feel proud, and you will feel like, yes, life is going in the right direction. Some confusions may be there, but I see you coming out of them quickly. Temperance, balance. Yes, you will feel very balanced between your mind and your heart. Balance is coming. I think right now you're not feeling very balanced. Either you feel too emotional or too, you know, rational. But at the end of the year, things will be balanced. I also feel, friends, in your love life, someone who was not giving you time, who was confused about you, whether to move or move back or move in, or even, you know, you may not be sure about someone or open to someone in the past, but I do see you, a person will approach you, or you will approach a person, and there may be some confusions or some doubts, but eventually things are going to work out. A new start will happen, balance will come in this connection, there will be love, there will be a sense of depth, a sense of grounding. You know, this love is beautiful. You know, this relationship is moving into the right direction. Someone may propose you marriage, or they may say like, yeah, we want to commit to you. Someone may officially start dating you, or officially you are like moving in together. So it is a progression. It is a strong, stable progression of a relationship which was stuck. I also feel your twin flame could be coming back, or they will try to message, or you will, if there was some war, some arguments going on, things will be positive. Ace of Rods, you have Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Rods, very, very passionate. You're very passionate when you end this year, because you are filled with ideas. You want to overachieve things, you want to achieve things, you want to do this, do that. You have a lot of ideas when you end this year. So you will have to stay balanced also, because when I see this Ace of Wands, you are like, yes, I'm gonna do this, I will do this, I will do this, I will do that, I will achieve everything. But oh good lord, you're gonna run out of energy, so stay balanced. If you are a student, I see you moving ahead, getting some success. Or if you were struggling, if your life was struggling, there was no money, I do see you getting a job, or a stable job. Maybe it is not a job that you were planning for, but it is a job, it is a job that is coming your way, and you will feel excited, especially the students, and it will bring you contentment. But you have to be, stay balanced, because you might be a little super achiever. You might want to super achieve things, so just tone it down a little. Let's see your other cards. Patience, number 16. Yes, divine timing is at work in your life. A positive new start, or something is going to work out, or positively shift in your life. I definitely feel this is for work for some of you, and for others it is about a passionate new start coming in a relationship which was stuck, which was not moving. It could be a marriage, it could be a love relationship, it could also be a reunion of your friends or your colleagues and co-workers. So yes, patience. You want to super achieve, you are like, hey, I will achieve this, I will achieve this, I will do everything, I'm gonna change my life in a day. Angels are like, yes, patience. And ooh, woman holding a coin. Friends, a lot of money is coming your way. People who are going to value you, people who are going to understand you, they are coming your way. Queen and king. So people who can understand you or match your potential are coming. Some of you are waiting for marriages or finding that person you can marry. Yes, there's a chance. You may meet them. There is a chance. Woman holding a coin. Lot of money coming your way. I also feel money from your family is coming your way. Or maybe some of you are getting married, so extra money, gifts, gold is coming your way, some jewelry is coming your way. Reaching your destination, your light is shining brightly. You are going to reach what you start, you have started something, you are going to reap success in it. You have big dreams when you end this year, or when even now you have big dreams, but you are not sure. You feel like maybe this won't happen. You feel like, nah. But you will be sure at the end of the year, like which way to go. What is your life path? What is your life destiny? Who is the person you need to be? Clarity. And you will achieve. You will feel that in your bones that yes, I can achieve my dreams. Overcoming obstacles, you can overcome anything. Yes, you are a super ninja when you end this month or this year, possibly 2 months when after this, when you end this year, you will feel very confident. You will feel like you can achieve, you can do anything. You can do anything. So the song for you, let me just think a song. I was getting a song. The song I'm getting for you is from the movie Brave. It is called, I Can Fly. Yeah, I think it's called that. I Can Fly. Yeah, it's like, you can touch the sky, you can fly. So that's your energy. You can do anything. You want that. You are craving for it, that passion, that, that feeling that yes, you can achieve, you can do anything. Something is going to bring that feeling to you, at the end of this year. So yes, that's the song. It's a beautiful movie. Check that out if you haven't seen it. Brave. At least listen to the song. Touch the Sky, or yeah, I think it's called Touch the Sky. Let's see your romance angels. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. So yes, friends, it's time for you to stay optimistic about your love life. Things are going to shift positively for you. Get ready, friends, get ready. And it's a great year ahead for you, and you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So yes, make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, and like and share and comment below, so you can win a free reading at the end of this month. One lucky winner will win it. And join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. This is Mystic Z saying bye.